Number 34. A person who is homozygous for the sickle cell allele has a child with a person that is heterozygous. What is the likelihood that the offspring would be homozygous for the sickle cell allele? So this question is talking about sickle cell. Because sickle cell has two alleles, HbA, HbS. So if a person has two HbA allele, then he or she is normal, meaning that his or her red blood cells will be normal. If a person has HbA and HbS, then his or her red blood cells will be affected. Some of them will be normal and some of them will be sickle shaped. So you can say that this is a carrier genotype. If a person has HbS and HbS, the person is fully affected. The person's red blood cells will be all sickle shaped. So this is homozygous for the sickle cell allele. So the question asks, if this person has a child with a person that is heterozygous, then what is the likelihood that the offspring would be homozygous? So if we just do the Punnett square, these are heterozygous, so we're not going to care too much about that, but this two. So these two are homozygous for the sickle cell. So so in total there are 4 outcomes, and 2 out of the 4 results in the homozygous for the sickle cell allele. Hence, the answer should be 50.